In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze frames in CapCut. I will show you a step-by-step tutorial. So here you can see this is a lightning video and I'm going to freeze the frame at exactly when the lightning strikes, right? So to do that, first of all, I will play this video and I will pause the video where I need to freeze the frame. So this is a frame which I want to freeze. So first of all, you have to right click. First of all, you have to select the clip here, then you have to play and pause at the moment where you want to freeze, then right click on your mouse and here you will get an option of edit. And once you take your mouse over edit, and here you will get an option of freeze. Click on freeze and here you will get a freeze frame for the 3 second. So this is, you can see it, and after that you can play this video normally. If you want to change the duration of the freeze frame, you can always do that. For example, I want to decrease or increase. First of all, select the clip here. I can increase here and I can also decrease here, right? It's very easy to do it. So first of all, I just want to freeze the frame for 2 seconds here, and let me show you how to play this video, right? The frame got freezed and again get played. So this is how you can freeze a frame in CapCut. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.